Welcome to day 15 of me backtesting my way to success. Today marks the start of the third week already, and I'm pretty excited. Anyway, let's just get into the charts. First win of the day. The reason I entered was daily order block right here, and that's also the area of liquidity, the previous one. As price sweep the area of liquidity, as you can see right here, I scaled into a lower time frame, looked for a breakout structure, entered stop loss above the area of liquidity, take profit, previous area of liquidity right here, and beginning of the daily fair value gap from right here, this huge fair value gap. And also there is an order block right below the fair value gap, as always. So yeah, price might just react a bit with the fair value gap and then go up, or also go into the daily fair value gap and then go up. But I definitely believe that price is going to go up next. So let's just see how the next trade goes. Next trade was a win. The reason I entered was for our fair value gap right here. It swept the previous area of liquidity, went into the fair value gap, and yeah, on a breaker structure I entered. It was in 5 minute, I think. Oh, oh shit. Yeah, right here I entered. Stop loss was below the previous area of liquidity with breathing room. Take profits were previous areas of liquidities. So, right, this area of liquidity that it swept previously, also this area of liquidity, and the beginning of this daily order block. So yeah, all three take profits were hit, and let's just see how the next trade goes. Okay, so another huge win right here. The reason I entered was this daily order block. Also, there was a daily fair value gap right here, and I really wanted to enter for a buy. Take profit would have been this area of liquidity, but I didn't because I only had two confluences, and because I lost a ton of trades last week because I only had two confluences, I decided to from now on only enter trades when I have three or more confluences. Right here, I would have only had a break-if structure and a fair value gap entry. And yeah, so that's why I didn't enter. But coming to this trade, like I said, it took out this area of liquidity, broke structure to the downside, and then the order block kicked in, I entered, like I said, off of the break-if structure. Stop loss was above the previous area of liquidity, so from right here, because I thought that there might be a possibility that price even takes out this area of liquidity and then reverses, so that's why I gave it a lot of breathing room. That's also something I learned last week. And yeah, take profits were previous areas of liquidity. So let me just remember, one was definitely right here, I think right here, and also right here were, I think these four were my take profits. And yeah, that was a pretty huge trade. I'm up 12% right now, as you can see. And yeah, that's pretty cool, but let's just see how the next trade goes. Okay, so next trade, three take profits were hit, one was not. The reason I entered was a 4-hour order block right here, followed by a break-if structure to the downside in a lower time frame right here. Also, I was trading with the bias, so that could be taken as another confluence. Stop loss was above this area of liquidity. Again, gave it a lot of breathing room. Take profits were this area of liquidity, this one, and also this one right here. The last take profit I placed was the beginning of this daily order block, but it was not hit. Instead, price went up, probably going to go into this order block and maybe even into this fair value gap, and then price is going to go down. I'm pretty sure of it. So yeah, I guess fourth take profit was really greedy. I'm up 14%. So today's a pretty good day. We're at 90%. That's pretty insane, but it's definitely going to change. I'm sure of it, since I'm not yet a profitable trader. We'll see you in the next one.